Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by selecting the exact range that looks like a table. Click and drag or press Ctrl plus A when the cursor is inside it. Once selected, remove obvious blockers. Check for merged cells, active filters, and conditional formatting, which can preserve a table look. Make a quick copy of the sheet first to avoid mistakes. You're doing this to separate pure values from formatting, so keep the selection tight to only the rows and columns you need before proceeding to formatting removal. Now remove style artifacts. Choose Format Clear formatting to strip fonts, fills, and text styles, which immediately makes the grid look plain. Next, open the Borders menu and click the No Border option to eliminate visible table lines. If only some cells have borders, select them and remove borders in one step. If you need to propagate plain appearance to adjacent ranges, use the Paint Format tool. Click the plain cell, then paint over targets. This combination removes the visual table layer while keeping values intact. Finish by disabling data features that keep table behavior. Go to Data and turn off filters and delete any filter views. Then normalize data types via format number. Set plain text, date, or number so formatting won't reapply automatically. Finally, review array formulas, protected ranges, and app script triggers that may recreate styles. Remove or adjust them if needed. If something still looks like a table, make sure conditional formatting rules aren't targeting that range. Delete the rule or change its range to resolve the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.